Yes, dear students, I believe you will be fine and enjoying good health. And in my previous lectures, as I have declared about what is the difference between project, thesis, and presentations, and the next one is about the how to write down your proposal and submit proposal, and the third one is about how to write down final project and how to submit. And now it is the final lecture about how to defend your project in front of panel FIN 620 BSBA according to VU Virtual University pattern. So let's start our topic, tips and strategies. What have you apply tips and strategy during defense, before or during the defense? So if you are going to defend your project in front of panel, so you have a lot of practice in front of friends, siblings, relatives, so that you have confidence. You have knowledge, you have understanding, you have exposure regarding to your topic. And the next one is a be confidence. You have confidence regarding to your topics because you have write down and you have convinced your listeners that you have add additional knowledge regarding to your topic. Good logics. You have good logics to defend your topics. As I have described in the starting, now I will tell you about what is the difference. Previous lecture which I have designed for you. What is the difference between project, thesis, and dissertation? How to write down and submit your proposal, project proposal, how to write down and submit your final project. Link in the sections and link in the description. So this one your first slide that you will be design in your project proposal. In your project proposal, same thing in the your defend presentations. Name, student ID, degree, specializations, topic. Suppose करें this one is the activity ratio, but you will be write down according to your specializations and your chosen topics. Introduction of the project, objective and significance, data processing, data analysis, and likewise as you have declared in your final project, the same thing you will be submitted here, because your panel would be raised a different question regarding to these ratios and these graphics. Logically they will be asked why this one, why that one, why what, 5W question they would be asked for you regarding to this. So likewise you have submitted or designed all presentation here. So conclusions and findings. सपोज करें जैसे कि मैंने इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने इसमें सारी चीज़ें फाइंडिंग्स जो हैं अपनी कंक्लूजन्स सबमिटेड किए हैं. सो यू हैव आल्सो you put your all conclusions and finding in your presentation so that you can defend it, that you have done research different and you have add additional knowledge regarding to research. So now it is the process of how to defend your thesis, project and presentations. On the BS level it is not difficult, but on the thesis and dissertation level it is a bit difficult as compared to project. So don't fear any type of things. Be excited, be confident, and do practice again and again. So I believe that if you act upon these advices, tips and strategies, you have confidence, you have knowledge, you can do easily defend your project in front of panels. So I believe that This video will be polish your knowledge and increase your understanding regarding to defense matters. If you have any queries regarding to defense point of view, you can ask me in in comment sections. Thanks.